Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel a pending transaction on Coinbase. Now, to start with, you want to go ahead and open up Coinbase, and you can do this on your PC or mobile application. So from there, you can log into your account, and you just want to go ahead over to this trade tab where you can see all of your assets and the recent transactions. Now, from there, you want to click on the transaction, which you're trying to cancel, and from here you need to make sure that it is an unconfirmed transaction. And that's because once a transaction is confirmed, it is irreversible due to the nature of how blockchain works. So as you can see, for this example, the status is actually filled, which means that it's already been completed. So unfortunately, for a transaction like this, it will not be possible to cancel. However, if your transaction is still pending, you want to look for the cancel payment option, and you will actually be able to cancel your payment if you don't see the cancel payment option. The transaction is probably already confirmed, and that might mean that it is irreversible. So there you have it. That's how you can cancel a pending transaction on Coinbase. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!